Today I'm going to talk about a new called Trimaginator, which lets you create artwork using triangles. First thing you do is have a choice of opening something from your library or taking a photo. So I'll open a photo that I have kicking around from when I was at a track meet, and I pull that in, and it initially comes up with some initial default settings. On the lower left, if I tap that little button, you'll see it changes the overall appearance. You can go from everything with semi-transparent look and borders to no transparency and white or black borders. And now I start tapping in the upper right corner, and you can see the pattern changes. And it goes through a sequence, so you can just keep tapping and tapping and tapping. Eventually you get back to where you started. So I kind of look things over as I'm tapping, decide what I might like. And I kind of like this empty face, which shows I know nothing. And I'll tweak my wireframe transparency settings in the lower left corner again to find something that I'm interested in. And now what I'll do is the other corner, there's a big plus sign, and you can tap that and change it to a plus or a minus. And with this key, when it's set to plus, if you tap anywhere in the photo, you're adding a point or a lot of points, and when it's a minus, you're subtracting. You can either just add a single point by tapping or drag your finger along to make entire sequences of points, nice little lines. Tough part about this is I don't think there's an undo button, but I'll be honest, I'm not sure what the X in the upper left area is. I haven't quite played with that one enough to figure it out. But you can always get back to any particular settings by looping in that upper right corner and then starting over again from where you were. So on this one, I do a lot of tweaking. I kind of like the empty face look, so I want to get back to that one eventually after having tapped around for quite a while. There you notice that I got into the lower left corner and actually got rid of the corner. So you can actually make part of your image transparent around the edges so that you would just be coloring in the inside area if you get rid of the corner points. It's somewhat hard to get rid of the corner points since you have to run your finger all the way over there. And here I saved the image, and I got the nice little green check marks. The rough part about this is it does seem to crash a lot, so it sometimes might go into a loop right there. They recently upgraded the app, so it saves at full resolution. The earlier version saved at very low resolution. So that could be one reason it's crashing a lot now. Hopefully that'll get fixed in a near update. I've been using this to create a lot of abstract work recently, and starting with the image you see here, this was the final image I got out of it, and I kind of liked it. Another app I used to create this image was Artemadon. I hope you'll like the app if you get it. I enjoy it, and I've been creating a lot of abstract art, so feel free to take a look at my Flickr page.